Sydney Opera House is the envy of every art centre in the world. And that's because we've got this spectacular building that attracts over 4 million people year after year who come onto our site. But it goes much further than that. I think the building and what happens in the building has completely changed the culture and perceptions of this nation. In any rational terms, the building should never have been built. It was so visionary, the techniques for building it had not been invented. So in many ways, this building is the epitome of innovation.
The way we use IT now at the Opera House has really changed. We're now starting to look at data as a real corporate asset. We're working on understanding and interpreting our data so that we can reduce costs, improve the relationship we have with our customers, and support business growth. We've recently put in a new ticketing system. That project came about from a real need from the business to have a robust, reliable system that could be accessed through all channels, 24/7, whether it be the website, the phone room, or the front desk. In the 18 months since we went live, we've doubled the size of our customer database, which obviously gives us a tremendous pool to draw upon for marketing purposes. We can also deal with over 12 times the number of concurrent users. Our new website will completely transform the way that customers can interact with the Sydney Opera House. What we're aiming to do is to offer customers the opportunity to have a virtual Sydney Opera House experience.
Our online capability is becoming very critical as the way people choose to engage. What we've now established is a flexible base platform which allows us, frankly, to move in any direction and with some agility. We've had a relationship with HP for 20 years this year, which is quite incredible. But recently it really has developed, I think, to something much more meaningful, a strategic partnership where we've shared with each other our strategic ambitions and come up with solutions how each of us can really get a lot more out of this partnership. And I think that has really made a great difference.
The last 3 years at Sydney Opera House have really illustrated to us how critical technology is to business success. Technology is now completely entwined in our plans for the future, whether they be to do with business growth, taking costs out of the business, or improving the relationships that we have with our customers.
Just as the original Danish architect, Jørgen Utzon, made the building to be part of the theatrical performance, taking people from their everyday life, from the ordinary to the extraordinary. So I believe technology can enhance the customer experience in the same way, so that the entire Opera House experience becomes one wonderful and extraordinary event.